We're back with another overview video. We know you guys love these so much, so if you guys want to see more of these, all you got to do is subscribe to our channel, like this video, turn the bells on if you want the notifications so you get them instantly to your phone. We have a Jeep Gladiator 2021. This is going to be a mini giveaway with this awesome setup behind me, and we're going to go through it. So where do we want to start? The back?
Yeah, let's start in the back.
The back? All right, so.
Let's make them wait for the interior.
Yeah, the interior we're going to wait on a little bit. But we got these metal bumpers from Fab Fours. These things are absolutely sick. So when you go off trail and go anywhere, you can smash into things, rough them up, whatever. These things are super sick. Oh, we forgot the biggest part, actually.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, the wrap. So this is absolutely sick. This color matches it. Same exact wrap as the truck. Gloss Fire Blue, super sick from 3M. Going down the line here, we got these metal fender liners. So inner fender liners and the outer metal ones, super sick for when you're off trail riding, anything, honestly, so they don't get all dinged up, all messed up. The plastic ones look like shit in about a week of driving. So these things are super sick. We got Nittos on here, best tire in the game, shout out Nitto. And then we got 17-inch beadlocks from Rhino. So those are super sick. What else do we got? Oh, Dirt Logic suspension. So the best shocks that you can possibly buy for anything off-road, Dirt Logic. It has it on it, 5-inch lift kit. That's the back, basically sums it up. Oh, actually, tonneau cover. So, yeah, that's
soft
super
cover
sick.
too.
Yeah.
Easy for people to take care of.
Rolls up. You can put stuff in your bed. You can roll it up when you're hauling a quad, whatever you want to do. So, and then we come in. We got these drop-down steps, super sick. You open the door, they come down. Can't beat it. We'll save the interior. Save the interior. Again, Nitto tires, Dirt Logic. You can see right here. Again, came back. Inner fender liner, outer fender liner. All you Jeep people, you love these things. It actually lights up right in front of you because it sets back so far. So pod lights up here next to the windshield. Then we put in these LED lights with black, so they're not the stupid chrome ones that they come with. So black inner, LED light, and then we got another Fab Fours front bumper. So this one, you can actually run over trees, run into that slow person on the road while you're driving down, you know. These things are super sick. Then dual LED light bars on the front bumper. They mount right up, 1, 2, super sick.
You guys can see how bright these are.
Yeah.
I mean, look at the pod lights even. And they're centered up. Here, I'm right in front of the Jeep. Perfectly.
Super bright. Dark road, flip all the lights on, and now it's like daytime outside. So we're gonna go to the interior, so come on, come on. So in here, full leather interior.
Badass interior, honestly.
Super sick. And then, got this, oh, hold on, you can see it better back here. But the sound system in this thing absolutely bumps. So you got the overhead, and then it's a soft top. So this comes off, you can drive with the doors off, you can drive with the top off. Jeep's like, everyone's like, oh yeah, you got a Jeep. Actually, you drive one in the summer and then tell me that Jeeps are stupid. These things are absolutely sick. If you've ever driven one in the summer, it's 90 degrees, you got the wind blowing through your hair. I mean,
it's a good time.
Yeah, you can't beat a Jeep, honestly. And off-roading, no doors, no roof. We have Silver Lake sand dunes around us, which I don't know if any of you people got sand dunes, but this is what you want to be in if you're going to one of those. So, yeah, this thing is absolutely sick.
Alpine speakers, by the way. Super dope.
And full touchscreen radio, microphone up here. Basically, I mean, it's fully loaded. It's like getting one of these, you know. But
unbelievable. But you can have the best of both worlds.
Yes, that's that. And then, oh, we got something too we forgot to talk about because the tonneau cover was covered it, but full carpeted and bed liner.
Dude, this is sweet.
Yeah, this is super nice. So your stuff doesn't get all banged up in the bed as you're driving around.
Camping. I mean, even if you just set up a little bed. Could
set up a little bed back there.
That's crazy.
As Steve would say, a bed.
That's comfy.
So you can only hear this one, so we're gonna start it up, but it has a full MagnaFlow catback exhaust, which, I mean, who doesn't like loud vehicles when you're going off-road or going down the road? So it's super sick. It's actually kind of quiet, but when you get on it, it's super loud. So you're not obnoxious, annoying your neighbors, but
it sounds pretty good.
It sounds good while you're rolling down the road. So
let's hear this thing. That sounds pretty sick.
Yeah, so that's pretty cool. That basically wraps up the entire thing. We don't have to go over 2 machines, a trailer and a truck, so this one isn't as long as the normal one. But this is mini giveaway for OB41 2021 Jeep Gladiator, all done up, wheels, tires, lift kits, exhaust, full interior, super sick. So if you want to see more videos like this, all you got to do is subscribe to Own Boss Supply Co. This thing will be live from January 30th to February 8th. And you can get entered to win this Jeep or the entire setup. All you got to do is buy something from our website and you get entered into both. You could have this Jeep Gladiator. I know most of your wives would love to have this thing, so you better do it for them because this thing is I know my girlfriend would absolutely love her life if I brought one of these home.
You heard the man. Head to the website.
Yes, you have to. So Valentine's is coming up. So if you're not going to buy something, you could just win something.